My name's Andy Morrison. I'm the Deputy Head of School for Psychology and Sports Science, and I'm also a biomechanics lecturer. Our BSc Sport and Exercise Therapy is accredited by the Society of Sports Therapists, and what that means is you can be sure that you'll know all the skills required to be a sports therapist when you graduate. If you're looking to be a sport and exercise therapist, if you're looking to do sports massage, if you're looking to help people rehabilitate from injury, then our sport and exercise therapy course is a great one for you to study. If you study sport and exercise therapy with us, you'll have the opportunity to use our fantastic facilities. We have BASES accredited labs, as well as our sport and exercise therapy clinic here, where you have the opportunity to both be taught in this facility, but also work with externals who come in, including sports teams and ARU's high performance sports teams. You might think of studying at university to be sitting in a huge lecture hall, and you might have a few of those sessions, but most of the sessions you'll have are seminars where you'll be discussing with our expert lecturers. They could be practicals where you'll be working in our fantastic lab facilities, or there could be field-based work where you're out and about and collecting data around the city of Cambridge.